what's up, survivors? Today I have a headset on. Yeah, I'm going to probably use this to record for a lot, because that's what I have to use, so you can hear me better, because in my other videos you could barely hear me. There's very lag, and I'm just going to use my gaming headset. I guess it's pretty cool, but it might change my voice a little, so I sound like a squeaker. I'm just joking, so that's what I'm just going to do right now, survivors. And yeah, I came to shout out that I'm getting a new channel. It's called Lovin' Dat Soul. It's LUVINDATSOUL. And that's going to be my new channel. And it's the one which, if there's other ones, it's going to be the one which has a box and then it says play on it, and then there's a down arrow. And yeah, so I just wanted to announce that. I'll be making a new channel. And hopefully it goes good. And this headset makes me look wonky, I know, but I'm going to use it for game recording vids and all that stuff. So that's what's going to be happening, bruh. So, peace.